How can I use line plots to help me plan the best time to build a snowman? In this lesson, you will learn how to solve addition problems by using information presented in a line plot. Let's review. When we are looking at a line plot, we have to be sure we know how to read or interpret the information. We have a line plot that's been created for the data in the table below. Each mark above the number on the line plot represents a piece of data. Understanding that each mark on a line plot represents a piece of data helps us make sense of the data and answer questions, such as how many students are 50 inches tall? Since there are 3 marks above 50 on our line plot, there are 3 students that are 50 inches tall. When working with line plots with fractional data, it is important to remember how to add fractions. When we add fractions, like in the problem below, it can be a common misunderstanding to add both the numerator and denominators. However, it is important to remember that we're adding pieces of a whole. For the problem 3/4 plus 2/4, we start with 3/4 and add 2/4 to that. When we draw 3/4 in a model, we see that in order to add 2/4, we need another whole. Our answer ends up being 5/4 or 1 whole and 1/4. Let's use what we know to help us solve the following problem. Jerome's dad explained to him that he needs a certain amount of snow in order to build a snowman. His dad said that snow sticks when more than half of an inch falls, and that Jerome needs at least 3 inches of snow for a good snowman. Did enough snow stick during the month of February for Jerome to build a good snowman? We know that we're trying to figure out if there's been enough snow in February for Jerome to build a snowman. We also know that Jerome's dad said that snow sticks to the ground when more than half of an inch falls, and that Jerome needs 3 inches of snow on the ground in order to build a snowman. The line plot of data for snowfall in February is helpful because it helps us easily see how many days had more than half of an inch of snow. We know that we need to add in this situation because we are combining days of snowfall to see if they add up to be more than 3 inches of snow. Since the line plot has the days of snow ordered from least to greatest, we can easily find the days that had more than half of an inch of snow. There were 2 days where 6/8 of an inch of snow fell, 1 day where 7/8 of an inch of snow fell, and 1 day where 8/8 of an inch fell. We need to add up these days of snowfall to see if the total is more than 3 inches of snow. When adding multiple numbers in a problem, it can be helpful to add 2 of the numbers together at a time and then add those totals. When we add 6/8 plus 6/8, we get 12/8, and when we add 7/8 plus 8/8, we get 15/8. When we add 12/8 plus 15/8, we get 27/8. 27/8 would cover 3 full inches because 8 can go into 27 3 times without going over. And then we would have 3/8 of an inch left over. 3 3/8 inch of snow stuck to the ground in February. Since 3 3/8 of an inch of snow fell, more than 3 inches of snow stuck to the ground in February, so there is enough snow to build a snowman. In this lesson, you have learned how to solve addition problems by using information presented in a line plot.